Hey, fabulous ladies! Welcome back to Money Talk Shorts, where we're turning the often intimidating world of investing into a casual conversation. I'm your finance buddy, and today we're taking a fun dive into investing. Ready? Let's jump in. Investing. It's like planting seeds for your financial garden. We're not talking Wall Street jargon. We're talking about making your money work for you. Let's break it down. Investing is simply putting your money into things that have the potential to grow over time. It's not just for finance wizards, it's for anyone who wants their money to blossom. Now the fun part, where to put your money. There are stocks, bonds, real estate and more. Think of it like choosing outfits for your financial wardrobe. Mix and match to suit your style. Let's talk about the magic word compounding. It's like the interest on your interest, creating a snowball effect. The longer your money stays invested, the more it grows. It's the secret sauce of investing success. You don't need a mountain of cash to start. Whether it's a coffee budget or a small side hustle, every bit counts. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Apps like Robinhood can be a great start, which allows you to start investing with as low as $10. And there you have it. Investing made easy peasy. If you enjoyed this Money Talk short, hit the like button, subscribe for more finance chats, and drop a comment with your investing goals. Until next time, stay fabulous, and let's watch our money gardens flourish together.